Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Prints. Hope you all are doing great and learning well with the help of this tutorial. So today I just want to discuss something with you before starting the video or before sharing the content. As I'm seeing people are liking the content and they are watching the videos, but like how much effort it takes if you hit the like button. So I'll get to know that you are liking the content and it gives me motivation for my next concepts as well. So guys, I know everyone has limited time duration and all, and everyone is busy with their work, but it's just a bit effort if you hit the like button, so I'll get to know that you're liking the content. So hope guys you understand and help me to keep motivated for the next concepts. So please support the channel. I want you the channel has to be grown to the most helpful channel of textile designer or the fashion designer. So guys, without hesitation, just hit the like button. So on your screen you can see there are 4 motif images. These are the images which I have downloaded from the internet. If you want, you can draw your own motifs. So most of the time we have seen that motif we choose, they have different kind of finish, or we are drawing, it's getting very sharp and we have to finish on a wood block kind of a finish. So today's video is all about how to give a normal motif a wood block finish. So guys, without wasting a time, let's start the video. Welcome back. So let's see, this is very sharp kind of a motif. In this video I'll share the techniques where you will learn how to convert an image into a vector, then how we will convert into a wood block kind of a finish, right? So this is the image which we're going to use for that thing. Let's close these first, then we'll see if we take another. So as you can see, we have taken this image to the final wood block kind of a finish. So this is the image which I have downloaded from the internet. The link has given in the description box. You can download the same image. If you want to use your own motif which you have drawn, you can use that as well. For the saving of time, I'm just using internet content. So this is the image which right now I have downloaded. It is an 8.5 by 11 inches, which is good enough, and resolution is 72. So let's increase the resolution first. I'm keeping 300 resolution. So I'm gonna tell you like how to create this kind of a blur motif into a vector form first, and I have made another video on this technique. You can find in the description box. I've given the link there. So let's finalize it and convert this image into a vector. So this resolution we have done 300. I'm just adjusting the level so that white could be more white and black could be more black, so that we will get a sharp effect image, right? I'm just balancing. See the edges, please see carefully the edges. The preview I'm showing you in preview, before and after. It is the after effect. Before, after, before, after, before, after. So we have end up here, right? Okay, so let's fix the curves as well once. So you can see there are some smooth edges, so let's fix these as well. I'm just making white more white and black more black. See, now everything has been on level. You can see the black has a finer level. So let's do it. So now if we see closely, there are so many colors. So let's control these, go in a threshold, image and threshold, then everything is gone. So now you can see the artwork has been created. It's a downloaded image. If you have your own artwork, that's not a part of worry because it's already drawn, so there's no issue of pixelation and all, right? So threshold is a technique which can make any artwork into a single color, black and white, right? So this was the motif which you want to use as a wood block. There are 2 ways. First way, I'm going to tell you by filter. Just go in filter gallery and dry brush. right? Keep the fixed size within view so that we can see. Control space is the short command for zoom. Control space and drag, right? So let's see if we increase the brush size, how it will look. Like woodblock has like very soft edges. They don't have very sharp edges. Woodblock, it's kind of a manual kind of thing. So you can see we are doing, but it's not going so much perfect. It is okay type. Like this is like smooth edges. We can do more smoother. Stroke detail we can reduce and check. Like these are the smooth, but can you see that everything is going very automatically or very mechanically? Like it doesn't have that look it should be have on a wood block. So if you are okay with, you can work on it, but personally I'm not comfortable, so I'm cancelling it. So let's finish it properly however it should look. Right, I'm just copying the motif. Let's take the 2-3 motifs. There's another motif. So I'm just taking these 2 motifs, copy and control and new page, 8x8. Let's keep it 10x10. 300 resolution I am using because in earlier while editing this image we have saved the resolution 300, so I am keeping resolution 300 only, so that motif size remains same on other canvas as well. So they're just placed. So let's do it separate first. Selected. It has feather. Like feather has a big role. If our artwork is clear, we can't play with the feather on anti-alas or any tolerance. It will pixelate the artwork. So let's keep it 0 and anti-alas. In further video, I'll tell you how it harmed that your artwork. I'm just simply selecting the motif and pasting on other layer. Control X for cut, Control V for paste. It's placed on a new layer. So here I can see like there are very sharp edges. Firstly, we need to smooth it. So I'm just saying I'm taking eraser, like normal eraser, like it's a 6. Let's increase the size. Okay, fine. I'm just making edge smoother. Eraser should be in pencil. Brush will not work. Let me show you how. Brush will erase like this, and we need to erase like this because we are working on block print. So let's take the pencil and we have to erase like this, right? Hope it's clear like why we are using pencil eraser. So let's undo and reach on back like this is. We need to give that handcrafted kind of look. Usually the wood block has been done on hand carving, so we have to maintain that look. It should look like a handcrafted. Like everything can't be go very straight and very smooth. It has some handcrafted manly kind of a texture. So that's why I'm just giving these soft edges. So if we reduce the size of eraser, we can give the cracks usually with what we see in a wood block, like this kind of thing. It's up to you how much detail you want to put in artwork. I'm just sharing ideas with you. If you want to change your motif, you want to change colors and all, that could be done. Let's see on a print size how it is looking, because we are doing on very zoom level. So let's see. Okay, so I'm just giving these are just an idea. You can work. I'm just sharing techniques. And guys, once again, if you're liking the content, just hit the like button. It will not take much efforts and it will give me more motivation to work on the next things. As you can see, I'm giving those internal motifs a smooth shape so that it look more crafted. I'm just removing sharp edges. I'm giving them a very smooth and handcrafted kind of look. Or we can do another thing, because what I am feeling right now, that black area is too much. So we can add some details here so that the copyright issue will solve and it will look like more handcrafted. Like, we need to understand like how wood block works. It has a single die cut, so I'm just doing that only. I'm just doing randomly cut. You can do however you want to do. I'm just simply doing this. So let's change the color of this. Let's do that bright one, right? So I'm working on next motif. Let's finish this as well. Right click and select it. We are selected. E for eraser, as I have told you in my previous videos of tool utilization. You can watch it and learn the shortkeys of toolbox. Here I'm just giving it a slightly handcrafted look, just keeping the edges very smooth and gentle. Should not look like a harsh. The artwork should look very gentle. Right. So you can add some cracks here. Just giving the unfinished look to the motifs, so it look more handcrafted. Let's finish these shapes as well. Personally, I'm liking this motif as more than that the previous one, so we can use this only. And if we have that original artwork of R, so there is no issue. We can use our original shapes. It's just to save the time. I'm using that downloaded images of internet. If you want to practice the same, the link has given in the description box. You can download, and how to convert these images, low resolution images, into vector. That link also has given in the description box. You can download from there. You can see that video so that you will understand. So I'm just giving the inside shape or smoother, outside should be smoother, and later on we'll see how we can use this motif in multiple way, like as an eraser or as a brush as well. So let's see on a print size. I guess there should have some more cracks like this. See, this motif is all about detail. I'm just giving that more details so that it looks more wood block finish, and just removing the straight lines, which making this motif more mechanical, or we can say more geometrical. I'm just breaking those things which is making it more geo. So like this is the motif. Let's avoid this, I'm not liking it. So fill the color. So let's fill the dark base. first. Yes, G4 paint bucket, simply. Okay, now let's hide this background once. Click and select here with control, and let's hide the layer for a while. Press the control, click here. The motif will select and crop it. Image, crop, right? And go in edit section, define, brush, preset, and OK. So now this motif has been converted into brush shape. So let's see how it will work. Let's close the layer first. Background is open, and I just simply taking new layer, keep the color lighter, and light color has been decided. Go, just press the B for brush, select, and in the last we'll get this brush. So let's see. Here we can use this brush as a stamp, like wherever we want. If we want to rotate the shape, we can rotate the shape here, like in any other shape. If you want a straight shape, we can do it vertically and 180 horizontally, right? It's up to us however we want to use. So I'm just undo everything and let me show you how it look like. We can use as a stamp. This is the wood block finish, and let me show you how it will work in more ways. Let's select it, giving the dark shade, adding another layer down the layer, and I can give this effect as well, right? So here's the wood block finish, which usually we see that we are not getting the right motif. We can do anything, whatever we want to do, and we can use this brush as eraser as well. Let me tell you how. E for eraser, right? Go in a last section, use it here, and we can erase. If you want to erase some part of this motif with this same shape, so just click here like this. You can use as eraser, right? But I don't think that would be helpful for in this case. In any other texture form, that could be helpful. So guys, hope you like the video. If you are liking the video, again I'm saying hit the like button, keep share and subscribe. Thanks for the watching. Thank you.